Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Google Home speaker not connecting to Wi-Fi, reconnect to your network. Fix 1. Restart your speaker and Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Google Home or Nest speaker from power. Then unplug your Wi-Fi router and modem if separate. Wait for at least 60 seconds, then plug the router back in and wait until the internet connection is fully restored. Plug your Google Home speaker back in and allow it to finish starting up. Fix 2. Verify your phone and speaker are on the same Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone to your home Wi-Fi, not mobile data, then turn on Bluetooth and location services. Now open the Google Home app and try these setup again. Fix 3. Check the Wi-Fi password. Verify you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. If you recently changed your Wi-Fi password, remove the old Wi-Fi settings from the speaker and reconnect it. Fix 4. Move the speaker closer to the router. Weak Wi-Fi signals can interrupt the setup process. Place the speaker within 15 to 20 feet, 4 to 6 meters of the router, and keep it away from thick walls, TVs, microwaves, and other sources of wireless interference. Fix 5. Forget the old Wi-Fi network and reconnect. Open the Google Home app and select your speaker. Now go to Settings, then go to Device Information and find Wi-Fi. Now tap Forget Network and return to the home screen and from there select Add, then Set up Device, then New Device and complete the setup again. Fix 6. Check your router settings. Disable guest Wi-Fi during setup and ensure client isolation slash AP isolation is turned off. If your router has separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, try connecting to the one that provides the strongest signal and is supported by a device. Fix 7. Update the Google Home app. Install the latest version of the Google Home app, then close the app completely. Reopen it before trying again. Fix 8. Factory reset the speaker. If none of the previous steps work, perform a factory reset using the reset method for your specific Google Home or Nest model. After the reset, wait for the speaker to restart, then open the Google Home app and complete the setup from scratch. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.